Back with us here on Power Breakfast. Now, Hindenburg Research has put allegations on Sebi chairperson on counts of conflict of interest with regards to the Adani Group and questioned her credibility in investigating Hindenburg's allegations against the conglomerate. Nisha Poddar is here to get us the full account. Nisha, good morning. Tell us more.
Good morning. The whole weekend was quite hectic because of the allegations, and the report came out from Hindenburg Research, and that being countered by all the parties that were named in the allegations as well. So let's take stock of what really transpired and where it lands. So first, talking about Hindenburg's research report, and there are 4 counts of broad allegations that have been made that has questioned the conflict of interest of Sebi chairperson Madhabhi Puri Buch and also her credibility in investigating the matter and the allegations that were raised by earlier report of Hindenburg Research on Adani Group. So her connection with Adani Group is a big allegation that has been put forth by Hindenburg's research report. On the first count, it is that investments in offshore funds were allegedly used by Adani to siphon off funds, and here they have mentioned the 2 funds in which at some point Madhabhi Puri Buch and her husband had invested. They are IPE Plus Fund as well as Global Dynamic Opportunities Fund, where IIFL Wealth or 361's name has been also mentioned. The second allegation is the conflict of interest in a Singapore-based entity which is Agora Partners, where they claim that 100% is held by Madhabhi Puri Buch even today, and they have also said that conflict of interest in Indian entity Agora Advisory India, where again Madhabhi Puri Buch owns stake, and that one is an active consulting firm. On the other hand, they have also brought about the linkage of her husband Dhaval Buch with Blackstone in an advisory role, which they allegate, and the allegations are that that particular connection has made Sebi chairperson come up with various flexibility as well as relaxed norms for REITs in India for the benefit of Blackstone. Now, Madhabhi Puri Buch, in 2 comments and responses in detailed statements to these allegations, has clarified and duly refuted all the claims that have been made by Hindenburg's research report. She has said that all the disclosures as well as recusal norms of Sebi have been diligently followed. She has clarified that as private citizens, she had invested in those funds, and at no point were any of those funds used or engaged in investing in Adani Group of shares or companies. She also highlighted that Blackstone Group connection with Dhaval has been added to the recusal list which has been maintained by Sebi, and she says that all the disclosures had been put forth as per Sebi norms. In this, Sebi has also come out with a statement backing the chairperson, saying that they have duly investigated all the points that were mentioned by Hindenburg against Adani Group. They have also said that the chairperson has recused herself in matters involving the potential conflict of interest, and Sebi goes a step forward in also cautioning the investors, because the markets are going to open today and Sebi could be worried about a knee-jerk reaction of these allegations, and has cautioned the investors to be calm and also exercise due diligence, and also highlighted that Hindenburg Research may have short positions in the securities covered in this particular report. Now, Hindenburg, after looking at all these counter claims as well as rebuttals from the entities, has come out late evening with another set of questions, highlighting that Madhabhi Puri Buch has already confirmed her engagement with some of the funds that they have mentioned, and they also have highlighted that there are prominent clients in the industry that the consulting firm of her husband is doing business with. So they have raised a question, do these include clients Sebi is tasked with regulating? Also, they have highlighted the Adani Group linkage and whether or not those funds were used in siphoning money for Vinod Adani. And they also reiterated that with the funds relation of Madhabhi Puri Buch as the chairperson of Sebi, could it have impacted the credibility of Sebi in investigating these matters and the funds which was related to the Sebi chairperson herself? And they have again reiterated the obvious massive conflict of interest in their report and their tweets. And finally, they have asked a very important question to end this dialogue at the moment, that will the Sebi chairperson commit to a full, transparent and public investigation into these issues? So the matter remains burning at this point. Today, the market is going to take cognizance, but two important points. IIFL Wealth, which is now 361, has denied all the claims. They have confirmed the linkage and investment by Madhabhi Puri Buch, but on the other hand has denied any investment in Adani Group through one of the funds that have been mentioned, IPE, and they have said that no investments were made in Adani Group. AMFI has also come in support and has said that these kind of allegations actually bring down and affect the overall capital markets in India.
Nisha, thanks a lot for that detailed explanation of what has transpired over the weekend and going into today as well.